The feeling is strange, it's far from the same, yeah. I need to get back to the basics.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's Tay Bryce and I'm back with another video. It has been a good minute since I posted a video, but I'm back today with a 16-month lock update. Yes, my 16-month lock update. So let's get into it. So as you can see, my background is very different from my previous videos, and that is because I moved a few months ago. So I am in my new place, and this is the new background. So since my last lock update, my hair looks different. I feel like it looks longer, and I did trim my hair. It was a random decision, but one day I was like, I wonder how it would look if I, cut the ends a little bit. I'll put some clips in of me cutting the ends of my hair because I did want to record that for you guys. So you'll see what my hair looked like before I cut the ends and what I looked like after I cut the ends. I personally don't think that it makes a big difference, but I feel like it makes a difference that I like. A lot of my ends, well, as you can see, my ends aren't all the way locked, so yeah, a lot of my ends aren't completely locked, and I had like a lot of the you'll see in the video, I had ends that I just felt like needed to be trimmed, and so that's what I did, and I feel like it gave my locks more of a, I guess, uniform look that I like. So yeah, I made a random decision, trim the ends of my hair, and this is the result. But no, I really do love how my hair has been looking. I am definitely getting some length, and my locks are really like starting to lock all the way to the end. Okay, yeah, so some locks are closer to being locked to all the way down to the end of the lock than others are. So as you can see, this lock right here, about majority of it is locked, except for like a little bit here at the end. And then if I pick one of these locks in the back, you can see how much of my hair still has not locked yet. So yeah, so I didn't go crazy when I was trimming my ends. As far as washing my hair and my retwist routine, I feel like nothing has changed. Everything has basically stayed the same. I don't retwist on a schedule, but if anything, I do retwist at least once every 4 to 6 weeks. So yeah, but a lot of the times I don't really keep track of when I've been retwisting my hair. Also, I've had my hair locked for over a year now, and I've never been to a loctician. So I've been trying to find locticians here in Philly. So if you guys have any suggestions, can you please comment it down below, because I really do want to at least experience going to, a loctician at least once in my lock journey. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions for locticians in like Philly or even like Jersey, let me know. I really do want to try getting my hair styled, but I'm a little nervous just because I know how tender my scalp has become since starting my lock journey, and it's very painful. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, even just doing 2 buns right here, like on my head, is painful sometimes. So yeah, since I've also had my hair locked for over a year, I do want to do a detox for my locks. So I'm gonna be looking into that soon. If you have made it this far in this video, I just want to thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe because it's very helpful for me. So yes, again guys, I just want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed.